Good morning, guys. Thanks for watching Sunrise Outdoors. Didn't have time to do an intro this morning. We had animals before shooting lights, so nice, cool, foggy morning. We got a cold front coming in tomorrow. Been seeing that deer over and over and over and over, and my trigger finger was just a little bit itchy. I'm not so sure about this shot. I did not get any good penetration at all, so at least it doesn't appear that way. We'll give it a little bit and go check out the arrow and see what we got. Stick with us. Worried about the shot. When I replayed the footage, it looked like I was really far forward. So a little bit ago, I came up here and looked at the arrow, and we actually got about 6 to 8 inches of penetration, so that's plenty to get into the vitals. Like I said, the shot did look far forward. We'll see if we can't go recover this buck. He's standing right in there between the feeder and that cedar tree, or that little oak tree. And this is where the arrow was. And the first sign of blood we got, a little dot right there on that rock. So already we've got blood, so that's a good sign. He took off and just barreled through these willows, or through the cedar. As you can see right there, got blood on that. But I think I'm going to walk around. I don't feel like walking through this. Alright, so I got through that thick stuff. It's kind of hard to find some of that blood. I haven't made it, but just a couple feet, actually. There's blood on that rock. Blood all over that rock. Blood with bubbles. That's always a good sign. More blood on those leaves. Blood right there on those leaves. We got more blood there. More blood here. I think it's safe to say that we're going to harvest this animal. Stumbles. You can see where he stumbled there in the dirt. He's obviously making his way down this trail, so we'll just keep following this little game trail right here. A nice deep track imprint there. More blood on those leaves. It's probably hard to see. Dark leaves, so it's hard for me to see it. So, oh, I see a white belly. Alright guys, well here it is. Little spike, probably would have never turned into anything too great. I don't mind shooting the spikes. Some people say you shouldn't, but I like to get them out of the herd. I don't want to breed my does, so not a bad way to start the day. Made a better shot than I thought I did. I actually did get in the lungs. It was a little bit high, a little forward, but that Rage 2 blade, man, it did the trick. Put a nice sized hole in this guy. He probably made it, oh, I'd probably say about 80 yards piled up just right over here behind my shoulder. So, but yeah, fun part's over with, so get this guy dressed out and get him into my freezer.